Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. I'm so happy to show you one of the look from Dior holiday makeup collection. So Dior sent me a beautiful, extraordinary gift, including his red holiday look, so the golden masquerade eyeshadow palette. So everything to create this beautiful makeup look for this holiday season. So we have the eyeshadow palette, the golden masquerade, so pretty. So you know I have purchased the palette with cool tones, so if you're interested in that look, I'll let you the link here. And we also have the beautiful highlighter, the Stilo in Pearly Ruby. I'm so excited. We have this beautiful Sequin lipstick in shade Dazzle. So Sequin lipstick are a limited edition for a holiday season, and the shade is so pretty. I really love it. So once you apply onto your lips, when you press it, glitters will appear. We have also a Rouge Dior in 999 Velvet. So this is the case for holiday limited edition. See now this look I created. I used also other Dior products that were kindly gifted also. I received this beautiful gift and I'm so glad because they are a product that I normally purchase, so it's a real joy to have received them and to let you show you the second look on me that now I'm wearing. So you see the red shades are so flattering, nothing too harsh, so it's a very wearable red shade tones. And if you love to see all these products in action, please follow the second part of the video. So let's start applying this beautiful Dior Forever foundation in stick. This is the shade number 2N. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but actually it works on me, and I'm so glad to test it and to use it. So you can see it's a little bit darker, but not so much. So the texture is really amazing. This product is very lightweight and it's very easy to blend. You can use it also a brush, but actually I'm using my finger. Now I take this skin contour light. You see the packaging is different, so this is opaque and you can recognize at first glance. The color of this contour stick is amazing. I absolutely adore it. Let us see the swatch here. So you can see it's a cool tone, so creamy, so easy to blend. It's really perfect in my opinion. So with a brush, and it's very easy to blend even with your finger. The forehead here, the beautiful eyeshadow palette in golden masquerade, so it reflects everything because it's a golden case, you see. Wow, it's so pretty. I want to start applying this color. Beautiful, delicate, peachy, rosy shade. It has some little micro glitter. and I start applying the outer part here. Such a beautiful warm pink. I love it. I thought it would be too strong. Instead, it's very delicate in a way. The darkest shade. Not too intense, it's very sophisticated, delicate. Really create a beautiful tone, very wearable. I tend to keep it quite delicate, but the makeup look in Dior is very strong, is the design look, I mean, so it's very intense. So with the sponge brush I take a touch of the golden shade here and I come over it. So you can play, you can create a more orangey golden look applying this golden, or instead you probably can apply this shade to create a more cool tone. But I love the golden. Let's pick up the shade and go a little bit under. So we can intensify a little bit the red, just a bit. You have to go quite straight if you have wooded eyes like me, but also don't go too high with this red tone because it's very intense. Here, toward the center, pearly ruby. So this is the shade. So we can use it to line the eyes a bit, but I think I will need also a little bit of black. So let's start. It's really matching the eyeshadow color. You see. And we can do it underneath. Also a little bit of black. This is the black Stilo, the matte black from Dior. Using red tones you need a little bit more of definition. So I trace a very subtle line. Little bit of difference from this to this one. Something very minimal, but it really helps. Much of this color just to put everything together. Okay, now let's take the Dior Overcurl mascara. So now we can do the lips. So for the lips, to complete this look, Dior suggests the Dazzle Sequin from Rouge Dior liquid lipstick. The packaging is from holiday collection, so with this golden cap. So this is the shade, so pretty. It has this characteristic that once you apply on the lips, magically glitters will appear. Oh, this shade is so pretty. I need a mirror. Some lovely muted pink shade. Ready? Wow. So beautiful, you see. So these beautiful little glitters on the lips. You see them? So natural, but very pretty. Really matches all the shades of the eyeshadow. So now let's add a little bit of bronzer. So I want to go lightly. Because we have already so red shades on the face, so I use it just to add a little bit of sculpting effect. Let's take the highlighter powder. The packaging is outstanding. It's truly a masterpiece. I really love it. So let's open, and this is magic. It's so pretty, so unique. I love it. So I take a brush. Oh, so pretty. The color is truly beautiful. This golden warm touch. So I really enjoyed this look for holiday season. My final thoughts is that I'm very happy with this look. I really enjoyed this warm red shade. You know, I always cool tone lovers, but I really don't mind these red tones from this holiday collection by Dior. So I really enjoyed this look. I hope you too. So let me know your thoughts and see you soon. Bye!